Hi guys, dctmakes here. Just a quick video on cleaning your sanding tubes. Doesn't matter if it's a sanding tube on a Shopmaster oscillating tool, or a belt on, you know, a wood belt sanding, whatever you've got that is caked up. You see, this is all caked up. This is kind of fine, so it gets caked up real quick. So this is like 120 grit. I'm gonna use this cleaning tool to refresh the actual sanding tube. I just gotta put it on. Yeah, I know, wrong way, left hand thread. Do that. Turn it down a little bit. You see, it's got all kinds of junk on it. Into one side. With this particular thing, you have to move it over. It's ingrained in you to turn it the other way. Left hand thread, left hand thread. Anyway, it's pretty clean. It doesn't get them spotless like brand new, but much more usable after you do this. Classified as a friable material. I'll put a link to the stuff in the description, but cleans real well. This block I've had for quite a while. I do quite a bit of sanding and making stuff, crossbows and stuff like that take a lot of sanding, and longbows, but these sanding tubes I've had for quite a while, and it does the job real well. Let's do one more, show that it's not junk. Left hand thread. Let's see what we got down here. There's a relatively clean one. There's a used one, so try to bring this one back. Good. Wrong one. It's a great tool for doing like real long curves in like the handles of longbows and anything arched, tight corners. You've got all kinds of different tube sizes that you can put on it. So, dirty. Clean. 100 grit. Maybe, yeah, 100 grit, maybe 80, but a little worn. But great stuff. Really good for cleaning your sanding stuff. Even discs on orbital sanders, stuff like that. Anything like that. Hey, you guys have a good day. See ya. Bye. Hey guys, dctmakes here. I forgot to show you what I was doing. I don't know if anybody cares. This is a wood stuff. Really nice. I think it's German. Wood stuff classic. Really nice knife. And I was the handles come off them over a long time, especially if you put them in the dishwasher. And I've just making a Honduras mahogany handle for it. It's kind of rough right now, but hardened steel pins. There you go. Hey, that's why all this junk's out and why I'm cleaning whoa, why I'm cleaning. There you go. See you guys. Bye.